Peace, family. Really quick, y'all get your cars checked out. Y'all got my young nieces and nephews and loved ones riding around in unfavorable conditions, to say the least. This person will remain nameless. I'm gonna try to keep things a little inconspicuous, but I didn't loosen anything. I got a call, said the steering wheel's bonding and steering wheel is off centered and clanking, going in and out of parking lots, uneven roads. Okay, let me show you what I found. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Control arm mounting bolt is literally loose. See how tight it's supposed to be. And this is the reason why we have locking nuts, so that if they do back out for whatever reason, it'll hold it on at least until someone is able to address it. They thought it was ball joints. Well, I haven't did it like a lift test on them or anything, but the ball joints look fine. Have no explanation for this, but I'm going to inspect it to see if it's missing a washer or a shim. But and inspect the bushing. But this is just something to say. Please, please, please. If you hear something on your car, get it checked out. Got kids in the car, loved ones in the car. But yeah, this could have been bad if someone just didn't address this. So after pulling the wheel off, I wanted to make sure that this bushing was okay. Sometimes they'll start breaking and they'll spin in the sleeve, which still shouldn't cause that bolt or that nut on this bolt to back off. But all that to say, the bushing is good. All right, so now that I'm actually looking at this and about to tighten it, this is the alignment adjustment here. Looks like for toe. But yeah, looks like that's a toe adjustment. So this customer is definitely going to need an alignment following this. All right, so what I'm going to do is actually tighten this up some so that it is snug, and then I can still move it back and forth. I'm gonna try to align it the best I can with it off the ground. Then I'll lower it on the ground to get it at round height, and then I'll lock it down. All right, we have the vehicle back on the ground, and we're gonna do our final tightening. All right, so that was your main issue. That and you need tires. But that was the issue. I don't know if you got an alignment recently, and somebody just left something loose, Doc.